All right, guys, today I've got a 2015 Ford F-750. And when I say the biggest horse in the barn, I've got the biggest horse in the barn here. This comes with the 6.7 liter Cummins engine in it. Once again, fully serviced by us. It's got a 17-foot dump on it. Tires are standing tall, body's in great condition. On the inside, it's going to be connected to the 6-speed manual transmission. And it does have the PTO on it. Got the tarp controls right there, auxiliary switches. As you can see, underbody, it's in great condition, no rust. Frame's in fantastic condition here, guys. And once again, only 11,000 miles, so this thing has a lot of life left in it. Once again, you guys can see the dump is in great condition. This thing is set and ready to work for you. All you got to do is come on down, sign a few papers, and this thing is yours, ready to take home and make you some money. Give us a call today, 317-218-3613. We'll talk to you soon.